today's Dry Eye Show, we're going over the 5 benefits of coconut oil. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler.
And I'm Dr. Jenna Ziegler.
And in the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn the 5 benefits of coconut oil for all parts of your body, if coconut oil is safe to use around your eyes, if coconut oil helps your eyelashes grow, if it's safe and okay to use it on your eyelids as well. So we've had thousands of patients use or start using coconut oil, and we recommend organic, unrefined coconut oil, but they've used it for their multiple benefits, including antibacterial, it's an antifungal, it's a moisturizer, it's a natural SPF, and it has fatty acid benefits, which we talk about all the time with dry eye. But again, before I forget, if you're serious about getting rid of your dry eye, head to dryeyecommunity.com to get your free dry eye ebook. And then don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. So with that being said, let's discuss the 5 benefits of coconut oil.
So benefit number 1 is coconut oil for the skin. So vitamin E is what makes coconut oil a perfect moisturizer and anti-ager. So this gives you a nice glow right when you get out of the shower. The vitamin E in the coconut oil does fight aging in the skin due to high concentration of antioxidants. And also, coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, so it can soothe eczema, psoriasis, staph infections, and other skin conditions. It also helps decrease inflammation due to its high fatty acid content, so it's really great for your skin. So benefit number 2 is eating coconut oil. So coconut oil can improve your digestion because it helps the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, calcium, and magnesium. So it helps gut health by destroying candida and bad bacteria, which can really cause inflammation and digestive issues. So coconut oil can really help with that. And it can also help you lose weight because it increases energy expenditure by as much as 5%, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it's huge because you can burn an extra 100 calories per day, and that's 36,000 calories per year. So that's a lot of calories. So it can absolutely help you do that.
I was gonna say, I guess, how do you eat coconut oil?
So I eat coconut oil in my coffee.
It actually, I think, substitutes for a great creamer and a sweetener because it has that slight slight coconut flavor.
Yeah.
And then it has a little creamy, buttery feel to it because it is coconut oil. And so you put it in there, grind it up, mix it. You can put it in a Vitamix to make it frothy.
I mean, the best way to do it is to put your coffee and like a tablespoon or less or more, whatever you want, of coconut oil into a blender with your coffee, blend it up like in your Vitamix, and it makes it really frothy. It's almost like you're having like a coconut latte, which is awesome. So give it a try because coconut oil is absolutely great to eat, and that's a great way to get it into your diet.
And you'd be surprised that, like, if you do that, like I drink green tea with coconut oil in it in the morning, and sometimes I won't eat breakfast because I'm doing a longer fast all the way up till noon. And that will actually, it's kind of against the fasting, but it makes you burn more fat in that state. And you actually end up burning more calories as a result of not eating any sugar.
Absolutely.